Hello everyone, welcome to day 7th online summer camp. In this video, we will discuss about how to create this one line. Okay. This is not an underline, this is a type of horizontal line and how you can include in your web page. This video will become a short tutorial about how to add these types of lines and also how to copy the table in your web page. Okay. So in this video, we will learn about how to create horizontal line. So let's move to the coding. Yes, this is our coding. Okay. So how you can create a line where is reside at this point. Okay. This point. I already done the coding. Here is the coding. I explain you how to can control that particular code and how you can select it. Okay. So this is our line. You can see that our heading is there. जो हमारा heading है वेलकम टू यू ऑल, उसके नीचे हमको ये लाइन चाहिए, तो उसके नीचे ही जस्ट नीचे मैंने कोड को एंटर किया है. बेटा ये हमारा प्रीवियस कोड है जो हमने पहले पिछली क्लासेस में परफॉर्म किया था. अगर आपने पिछली क्लासेस नहीं देखी तो आप प्लीज एक बार देख लो ताकि आपको पूरी क्लैरिटी हो जाए कि हम किस टाइप के कोड पे बात कर रहे हैं. ओके, एंड नाउ वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट हाउ टू क्रिएट अ लाइन or a horizontal line in your web page. Okay, so this is the tag which is known as HR known as horizontal rule means line. Okay, and its size is approximately 4. Okay, if you change, you can change it. I just let's suppose 5. And width means the space between the margins. Okay, there is a margin width it's okay. So now width is the margins, the space between the margins. Okay, align is on the center because we are message welcome to you all is also aligned at the center, so that is why we align that particular line at the center. If you want to align at the left corner, right corner, that's upon you. Okay, you can change it according to your need. And next we have coding no shade means we just create a simple line which size is 5. Okay, and align at the center. We just not want to add dotted lines or a horizontal typical lines, that are also not our needed. Okay, so let's save it and go to your browser and refresh it. Yes, you can change that. I change the size here and according to the size हमारी जो line की मोटाई है वो increase हो चुकी है. Okay, and that's how you can create simple lines or add simple lines in your web coding. बेटा web coding is the most important concept टू योर कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. आप जो भी वेबसाइट देख पा रहे हो, मैंने फर्स्ट लेक्चर में भी एक्सप्लेन किया था कि जो भी आप वेबसाइट देखते हो ऑनलाइन वो कैसे बनती है, वो आपकी इसी तरह बनती है सारी वेबसाइट. जो भी आप ऑनलाइन वेबसाइट जैसे जेम्स कैम्ब्रिज इंटरनेशनल स्कूल बटाला की जो आप वेबसाइट देखते हो वो कैसे बनी है बेटा, वो भी HTML कोडिंग से बनी है. उसमें बहुत सारे कॉम्प्लेक्स कोड ऐड किए गए हैं, पर वो कॉम्प्लेक्स कोड आप कैसे ऐड करते हो, सबसे पहले बेसिक्स को क्लियर करके. एंड आपके जो बेसिक्स हैं वो इसी आपके बेसिक HTML ट्यूटोरियल में मैं आपको क्लियर करवा रहा हूं. ओके, so you have to be prepared according to your basics and you will implement on your basic skills of HTML and CSS. Okay, so now you can understand how to enter a line or add a line in your web page. This is the command. Okay, I highlight that command. You can copy and place on your code and you can simply add those commands. Now I want that कि हमारे पास जो हमारे पास जो पहले टेबल है इसका हम डुप्लीकेट टेबल क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं. मीन्स दैट इफ वी वांट टू क्रिएट मोर टेबल्स लाइक दिस वन एंड हाउ टू क्रिएट इट, जस्ट सिंपल copy and paste and you can create more and more tables according to your need. Okay, so just simple copy and paste. And which type of code we have to copy that? Firstly, that type where the table is started. Okay, table height is 20%, width is 20%. बेटा परसेंटेज का मतलब क्या है? Whenever you play or run a website on your mobile phone, okay, तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि वो आपके स्क्रीन के अकॉर्डिंग वो एडजस्ट हो जाएगा. 20% जितना भी साइज होगा आपकी डिवाइस की स्क्रीन का, जैसे आप मोबाइल पे चला रहे हो तो उसकी 20% जितनी स्क्रीन होगी वहां पे आपका ये सारा एडजस्ट होगा. ओके, 20% इसलिए हमने लगाया. पिक्सल्स क्यों नहीं लगाया? क्योंकि फिर पिक्सल जो है ना, अगर आप यहाँ पे 200 पिक्सल रख दोगे तो जो भी आपकी मोबाइल स्क्रीन है, चाहे वो आपकी फुल जो मोबाइल स्क्रीन है वही 200 पिक्सल की हो, तो क्या होगा, वो पूरी स्क्रीन कवर कर देगा. ये सिर्फ टेबल ही. Okay, so that is why we added the percentage sign here, and you can change it according to your need. Okay, so let me talk about how you can create one more table or one more type of table. If you want to create that, you just duplicate this one, just copy this one. Okay, tr row, okay, row end तक आपने select करना है and copy that code and just below the table row is closed. Now you can paste your code. Okay, I'm placed the code here. Okay, I pasted the code here. This is my first table code and this is my second table code. Okay, and now you can change the value according to your need. Okay, I'm just setting the title heading is same as previous, and title name as marks as, and closing here table row. Now I change the data here. Okay, some kind of another type of data is there. So just suppose this type of data I'm adding here, and suppose name is XYZ. Okay, and marks will be going to 98, 89. Okay, so here you can change your value and copy and paste the simple code. Okay, let's save it. I just save it from the keyboard, Ctrl+S, and go to your web browser and you can refresh it. Now what you see, your table is included below the table. Okay, if you want to change your table directions or alignment, you can change simply from here. Okay, just simply change from center to left. So in this way you can add more tables in your web page. Okay, alignment is changed now, and go to your web browser and refresh. Okay, alignment is changed now. Okay, so this tag is here, so there are mistakes out there in the code. Okay, you can change it. Where is it? Yes, this one. Just remove it and save it, and go to your file and refresh the page. You can see the changes. Okay, the tag is removed now. Okay, so in this simple tutorial we will learn how to add a horizontal row and how to duplicate your tables in your web page. You can add one table. Okay, and setting the positions in the right direction. Okay, you can change it. That's upon you. So in this lecture we will study about how to create horizontal rule and how to duplicate table. Thank you for today.